Hello, friends! Today, we're going to visit a bright and sunny farm, where wide green fields stretch far, and friendly animals live happily. In this peaceful place, we'll hear the rooster's loud crow, the cow's cheerful moo, and discover so many fun surprises waiting for us. If you enjoy it, don't forget to follow along, so we can keep exploring the farm together. Let's go! Model making landscape. First, we'll use foam to make the ground. At the back, we'll build some hills and mountains. Right in front of the farm, there will be a big pond. Next, we'll cover the pond with shiny foil to make the water. Finally, we'll tear tissue paper, dip it in glue, and spread it around to make the ground and hills look bumpy and natural. Model part, coloring. Let's color our model to make it bright and beautiful. The ground on the farm is brown, so we'll color it brown to look natural. We'll paint the hills and mountains dark brown to look like strong rocks. In front, there's a big pond, and we'll use blue so the water sparkles. Wonderful! Our model looks brighter and more colorful than ever. Model part, creating the landscape. Our farm needs more green, so I'll spread grassy mats on the ground to make it fresh and bright. In the middle stands a big windmill house, painted with bright colors. And next to it, a tiny doghouse with grass and little trees around. At the back of the yard, I'll set up a row of colorful pinwheels. Come on, let's make some pinwheels together. One, 2, and 3 pinwheels. But wait, the farm still needs a path. Let's place pebbles and plant rows of flowers along the sides. Beside the path is a veggie garden with carrots and cabbage, and more trees to give shade. A small pond with a wooden bridge and soft grass is the highlight. On the right, there's a cow shed with a roof of dry leaves and a pile of golden hay. To make the farm even livelier, we'll add a row of corn along the fence and a muddy puddle with clay. Now the farm is finished. Moving to the animals. Now, let's step into a big, wide farm. Across the open fields, we can see the animals gently munching on grass, making the countryside feel calm and beautiful. Are you ready to join me and explore all the fun and lively things on this farm? Then let's begin our journey right now. Oh no! These eggs got all mixed up. Let's sort them out together. Oops, not right. Ah, that's correct. The color looks wrong. Try again. Yes, red is right. And finally, we got it. Can you guess which animal these eggs belong to? Aha! It's a chicken! Chickens are one of the most common animals on the farm, and the rooster goes cock-a-doodle-doo in the morning. Hens lay eggs and keep them warm until the chicks hatch. They have little beaks, strong legs, and love to scratch the ground to look for food. Their feathers can be many colors, white, brown, or even bright red. What a happy place! Who's that? Ah, a cat! Why did it run away? Oh, it came back to grab the ball. And who are its two friends? Good. It's a dog. Dogs are loyal and friendly animals that love to play with people. They often wag their tails and bark, woof woof, when they're excited. Many dogs enjoy running, chasing balls, and being close to their owners. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, but all of them make wonderful companions. The truck is bringing the animals back home. Here we are. Goodbye, little duck. Next is the pig. Now there's only one house left. Do you know who gets off the truck last? It's the cow! Cows are gentle farm animals with big bodies and strong legs. They love to eat grass in the fields and chew slowly all day long. Cows give us fresh milk, which can be made into cheese, yogurt, and butter. They often make the sound moo and live happily in herds. In my hand, I have a mystery animal. But look, it has no color yet. Let's paint it together. Now, can you guess what it is? Great! It's a horse! Horses are strong animals with long legs and flowing manes. They love to run fast across the fields and carry people on their backs. Horses eat grass, hay, and sometimes apples or carrots as treats. They make the sound neigh and are very gentle friends on the farm. We are visiting a fun and busy farm. Look, there's a little bird and even a ladybug too. So many interesting animals are here. Oh, I see one that is black and white. Can you watch closely and guess what animal it is? That's right. It's a milk cow. Milk cows are black and white animals that live happily on farms. They give us fresh milk every day, which can be made into cheese, butter, and yogurt. They make the sound moo and are gentle, calm animals. Here we have a mystery box. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Wow, a duck! Strawberry. A cat. And what's this one? Exactly! It's a goat! Goats are playful farm animals with small horns and beards. They love to climb rocks and fences and are very curious. Goats eat grass, leaves, and sometimes even crunchy vegetables. They make the sound maa, maa, and live happily in herds. We have a beautiful notebook. Let's color it together to discover which animal will appear. Oh, what could it be? It's a rabbit! Rabbits are gentle animals with long ears and soft fur. They love to hop around and nibble on carrots or fresh grass. Rabbits live in burrows and can be very quick and playful. They make quiet little sounds and are very cute farm friends. Let's stick some soft cotton onto the animal's body to finish this beautiful picture. Can you guess what this cute animal is? That's right! It's a sheep! Sheep are gentle farm animals covered in thick, fluffy wool. They usually stay together in flocks and love to eat grass. Their wool can be made into warm clothes and blankets. They make the sound baa, baa, and are very calm and friendly. 9. I have a bunch of keys. Let's see what's behind the green door. Aha! It's a rabbit! Now, the orange door. A little goat. And the blue door. Oh! It's a pig! Pigs are chubby animals with short legs and curly little tails. They love to roll around in the mud to stay cool. Pigs enjoy eating vegetables, fruits, and grains. They make the sound oink oink and are very smart farm animals. It's time to close the farm. Let's call the animals back home. 1 has come back. 2, 3. Wait, where is this one going? Why isn't it going into the pen? Do you know what animal that is? Correct! It's a donkey! Donkeys are strong farm animals with long ears and steady hooves. They help carry heavy loads and can walk on rocky paths. Donkeys eat grass, hay, and grains. They make a loud sound called a hee-haw and are known for being gentle but stubborn. Oh, look at this! The animals are stacking on top of each other. That's so funny! Can you guess which animal this one is? That's Goose! Geese are big birds with long necks and strong wings. They love to swim in ponds and lakes. Geese often eat grass, grains, and small plants. They make a loud honk-honk sound and usually stay together in groups. Look, I have a fun surprise. The animals are spinning around like a merry-go-round. Isn't that so funny? That animal is super cute. Can you say its name out loud? Quack, quack. It's a duck! Ducks are water birds with flat beaks and webbed feet. They love to swim and splash in ponds. Ducks eat plants, insects, and little fish. They make the sound quack quack and waddle when they walk.